Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 925, and today's topic is the manufacture of fungicides. Fungicides are those chemicals which are against fungus to destroy and to damage, kill the fungal growth, and there are different type of fungi. When fungi is plural, that is funguses, and there are hundreds of thousands of different classes of funguses, and they are molds, rust, mushrooms, and they are very much harmful inside house, as well as they can damage the crop. Inside out they can damage the fabric, even glass, even some food material. If there is fungal growth, it's toxic, and that's why it is very important to destroy and damage the growth of these fungus. So there are two chemicals. One is inorganic base and the other one is organic base. See, the inorganic base mainly copper sulfate and lime. When we take 500 gram of copper sulfate and 500 gram of lime, once it is mixed, and add 25 gallon of water and leave it for some time, and after that decant it, the liquid layer that is blue in color, it will become gelatinous, and this is your powerful antifungal. And some mercurous and mercury chlorides, they are also antifungal. These are the inorganic substances, and the other group of antifungal compounds are organic. They are mostly chlorinated, quinone and phenol. So this manufacture of all this inorganic and organic I will be taking one by one. So here number one, that is manufacture of fungicides. Fungicides have been manufactured to use against fungi. Actually, fungi is a plural form, that is funguses. That's parasitic plants comprising the molds, rust, smuts, and mushrooms. They are the common fungicide, the funguses, and are capable of destroying higher plants, fabrics, foods, and even our glasses. They attack seeds, growing plant material, and may even destroy finished products. I have already told you finished products, it can be food, it can be adhesive, and it can be paints. Number two, the manufacture of inorganic fungicide. Sulfur compounds and compounds of heavy metals have widely been used as inorganic fungicides. So mostly they are sulfur compounds of heavy metals. Is a very important fungicide, that is your Bordeaux mixture. Bordeaux mixture is a very important fungicide, and I have given how to prepare manufacture the Bordeaux mixture fungicide, and can be manufactured by dissolving 0.5 kilogram of copper sulfate in one vessel and 0.5 kilogram of lime in another vessel. Each solution is diluted to 25 gallons of water and then poured simultaneously through a strainer into a third container. So in first container we are dissolving half kilogram of copper sulfate. In other vessels we are dissolving the half kilogram of lime and then these two are mixed in third container in 25-gallon water, and then it is strained into a third container. As a result, we will get, that is your Bordeaux mixture. So this mixture, copper sulfate, lime, and once it is separated out, it is called Bordeaux mixture, and is found in the form of light blue gelatinous precipitate, and that is obtained, which is suspended in the water. This inorganic fungicide is very effective against most common molds and mildews. It is not harmful to common fruits and vegetables. And this inorganic fungicide, even the farmers, anybody can prepare very easily in our houses. Just it is a matter of mixing different ratio of half kg copper sulfate, half kg lime in two separate containers. After that, you drain in a third container, and that mixture will give you the blue colored gelatinous mass, and that is your inorganic fungicide. So number 3 is the preparation of mercurous and mercury chloride as a fungicide. Number 3, manufacture of mercuric and mercurous chloride. These two inorganic fungicides are very effective. Mercurous chloride, that is Hg2Cl2, that is calmol, can be manufactured by heating mercury chloride 4 parts with metallic mercury, that is 3 parts, in an iron vessel until white mass is obtained. HgCl2 plus H2, Hg2Cl2. The temperature is increased to sublime of Hg2Cl2. Actually, temperature, once it is increased, that it will be sublimed, and after sublimation it will be recrystallized out, and that is your mercurous chloride. And this is your mercury chloride. In presence of hydrogen, it will be changed into mercurous chloride. Mercury chloride, that is HgCl2, can be prepared by heating mercury in presence of chlorine gas. Hg2Cl2, that is your mercurous chloride, and mercury chloride, that is HgCl2, are most injurious to plants also, so we have to use them very carefully. Number 4, that is your organic fungicides. Dithiocarbamates, chloronitrated phenols, quinones, then galloxyladine derivatives. So mainly it is, quinone and phenol chloro derivatives. They are organic fungicide, and also the derivatives of mercury compounds have been widely used as organic fungicide. Next to sulfur, nitrogen is the most effective constituent of an organic fungicide other than carbon and hydrogen. Formalin, that is your 40% solution of formaldehyde, that is SCHO, in water, is the first successful organic fungicide and used as fumigant for seeds and some other food material. So this is your formalin, and that is your 40% of solution of formaldehyde is the first organic fungicide used. So with this I will stop, and the manufacture of some different type of organic fungicides I will be discussing, and there are very important organic fungicides. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.